Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ali Emre Karadeniz from AEK Hair Clinic, and I want to talk about AEK's hair transplant philosophy. Instead of providing off-the-shelf hair transplants, we have personalized treatments with long-term strategy and planning. Instead of outsourcing to freelance technicians that rotate through clinics, we have formed AEK Hair Academy and trained all our medical staff. Instead of marketing fake surgical techniques and technologies, we use scientifically proven treatments. And instead of providing low quality and cheap service based on selling graph numbers, we provide high quality and sophisticated treatments aimed at providing the most natural results while causing minimal tissue damage. So contact us now for a high-quality hair transplant consultation.